So this is a demonstration of the Flava Solutions gym management system that was developed by Okonsanya Smith, Lolin Smith, Sandra Spaulding, and Rahil Douglas. Basically, the system is designed to suit a gymnasium or agency that is involved in fitness activities that needs to keep a track of their members. The system allows the employees to sign up and log in, and it allows the sending of verification emails to employees. And then once employees have verified themselves and logged in, then they may start to create members and perform transactions within the system. The system was designed using Microsoft Visual Studio. It used C# code, it used JavaScript, it used HTML and Bootstrap. So let's look at the system. Once a employee or potential member visits the site, they will get a view of the screen. Here we have the menus. The two most important menus here for me right now are the employee sign up and employee login menu. We also have a banner. We have information about what we offer. We have a BMI calculator that we are inputting. It's not fully functional as yet, but we'll get it functioning soon. We also have information about the programs that we offer for our members. We also have a schedule of our activities on the front page so members can be aware of what is being offered at what time. We also have a profile of our trainers, and our members can follow our trainers on their social media profiles. And we also have the plans. Now, before we begin, we need to check our database to see that it doesn't contain any user. I have one user so far which has not been confirmed via email, so I'm going to create another user to show the functionality of the system and confirm that user's email. Now, what I forgot to mention also is that the system was designed using the code first method. So this was not developed using the database first method, it was designed using the code first method. So I'm going to sign up an employee and then log in using that employee. So I go employee sign up, put in the employee email. I'm going to select the date of birth, put in a password. So I'm going to check validation, and here it is, password and confirmation passwords do not match, so that's just validation. Just did that to check that the validations are working. So the system is processing this request to send off the email. My other screen, so the email was sent on my other screen here. I should be getting the email shortly. Here it is. So I'm going to confirm my account by clicking here. And once I click there, it says click here to log in. So I'm not going to log in on that screen. I'm going to use this one to log in. Also, in my database, I should now have an additional user that has the email confirmed. And here is the user. Let's get back to our screen. So, in order for the system to function, there has to be some pre-setup. And These items need to be set up in order as they are displayed here. So I'm gonna, okay, I shouldn't delete that period. So let me go back to list. Alright, so I'm gonna create a new period, call it semester 2, and then I'm gonna set the start period is from last year, or this year, August 31st to next, this year September 1 to 2020. August 31st. Okay, so I have semester 2, and so the next thing I need to do is to create an activity. So let me check the list of activities. I currently have one activity. Again, 3, I'm going to delete that activity and create another one. Create another activity. I'm going to create weightlifting. I'm going to create, and here it is. Weightlifting created by Flava on the date. Next, I'm going to go to create a member. There's already one member in the system, so I'm just going to go create another one. Oh. So see daily created, create payment types. There's already one payment type in the system of cash. I'm going to create one of check. Right. Create a plan. Plan name, I already have a weekly plan. Yeah, so I'm going to create a new plan, which is bi-monthly. And it's 3,000 activity. So here I can select the weightlifting activity that I just added. I'm going to put the total. No, I don't have to put the total. It should go there automatically. No, total doesn't go there automatically. So I can fix that later. Create tax. Your tax already. So the GCT is already 0.25. But just to show, I'm going to delete it. I can't delete it. Alright. Go back to this. That one is in use. I think it's in use under right. I'm going to create another one of 16%. Create a tax. I'm gonna create a trainer. There's already a trainer in the system. I'm gonna create a trainer called William Smith. So William Smith, 41 years of experience doing aerobics. So now I can go and perform transactions due to the fact that I have already set up the system. So I'm going to create a transaction, and here I have the list of members I can choose from, whom the transaction corresponds. I have the list of plans that I can choose from, list of activities I can choose from. I can choose from the periods and the payment types. Next, I'll set the payment from, and the payment is from the 1st of August to the 10th of August. The amount due is $5,000. The amount paid is 1,550.32. The balance is automatically calculated and the expiry date is automatically inputted. So here is the transaction. Weightlifting class, C daily check, semester 2 bi-monthly, GCT, payment from 1st of the 8th 2018 to the 10th of the 8th. Payment amount due is 5,000, paid 1,550.32, balance 3,449.68, expiry date the 10th, created by this person, and the created date. So basically that is it for the Flava Solutions gym management system. Other thing that we can do is we can go to administration, look at the roles in the system, can create roles, list roles, we can manage users, check the role for each user. So if I were to go here and select that and get roles for this user, so this user has no role in the system as yet. So if I wanted to add a role to that user, come here and select the user and add the role to the user. Next, I'll go check out the role again, and there it is, the user is added to the role. So let's now look at the other thing that we can do is look at member accounts to see all the members in the system, and it keeps a track of all the members and a list. So you give the first name, last name, mobile number, birthday is there also, an email address. So that is it for the Flava Solutions gym management system.